Hey, this is Jack at TC3. Today we're going to replace windshield wiper blades on a Chevrolet Malibu 2008 through 13. This doesn't have your normal like J-type mounting system. It has what they call a top mount mounting system, and there's just a button you push on the top to make it release. There it is right there. It's one button. This is actually very simple to replace the wiper blades. So you pull your arm up, it'll stay up if it's not worn out. Okay, so it'll just slide out the end, and the new one will just slide back in. As you can see, this was leaving a streak right in front of my face, so yeah, it was time to replace this wiper blade. This was a Rain X, the old one. It lasted about 4 years. Pretty good service out of it. See, the spring on this one won't hold it up, so just slide it out the end like that, and very carefully put it back on the windshield so you don't create a scratch or something. Anyway, this time around, using Tri-Coat Ultras on this vehicle, the driver's side will be a 24-inch and the passenger side will be a 21-inch. If you use these, this is the mount piece you need, the adapter. These two ears will slide into two slots that's on the front side of the windshield wiper, and it just clicks into place like that. And like the little wing fairing thing goes toward you or toward the driver. So you're just going to slide it in the end here. You're going to do this the same thing on both sides, and it's just that simple. You really just do this in just a couple of minutes, and yeah, you pull your protective covers off of your blades, and yeah, that's about it. So this is a simple project anybody can do in just a matter of minutes there, and it'll be nice to be able to see again when it's raining. So anyway, you can do this yourself very quickly. I just thought I know everybody pretty much knows how to do this, but they're called top mount, those mounts on that. Thank you for watching.